Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support email for the Free Fire game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Free Fire and start your search. Once you find the Free Fire game, tap on it, and within the game's page, you will find App Support. Tap on the drop-down menu at the right side of App Support, and you have various different options of contacting them. You will also find the support email within this drop-down menu. Simply tap on this email address, and you can select your email application to directly send an email to the Free Fire game support team. Now, since the email address has already been set up within the To section, you can simply type in what you want support with. Then within the main body, you can explain your problem in detail, and then you can send your email to the support team. Once your email has been sent, you will have to wait for a few days until you receive a response. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team for the Free Fire game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.